Hey guys, it's Jimmy the Egg here, and I just got a package from the mail, so this is going to be an unboxing of the White Heat series of Hot Wheels cars. So, I'm just going to, let's see what's in here first. Okay, bunch of bubble wrap. Unwrap the bubble wrap. Out of here. Okay, so looks like we have the Autonomy concept, the White Heat. We have the 16 Angels White Heat. We have the Whipped Creamer 2 White Heat. The Phantom Racer White Heat, which is also in Hot Wheels Beat That, which is pretty cool. And last but not least, the MST Suzuka, which is also in Hot Wheels Beat That. So, be looking forward to reviews on these cars because they'll be coming very soon, as I just got these in the mail today as of the filming of this video, and I think they're really cool. So look out for reviews on each one on my channel coming soon. Bye!